Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello viewers, how on a day? Stay clear of Southeast to avoid second civil war. Bishop Ojukwu advises headers. Disturbed by the spate of killings of innocent Nigerians by killer Fulani herdsmen, the Archbishop of Enugu Ecclesiastical Province, Anglican Communion, the Most Reverend Dr. Emmanuel Ojukwu warned the Fulani killer herdsmen to stay clear of the entire Southeast zone, as their activities are capable of triggering a second civil war. Archbishop Ojukwu said this while fielding questions from newsmen during the second day of the 4-day meeting of Church of Nigeria Standing Committee, currently being held at All Saints Cathedral Church, Onitsha. They should keep off from here. We have suffered enough. They should keep off so we can wait up for second civil war. We cannot tolerate their walking anyhow, killing our people and raping our women, particularly now that the rainy season is coming for famine. We have to really prevent danger. We want to warn them that if anything happens again, they would be held responsible. Whatever violence they cause will get a punishment. The cleric recalled the recent resolve of Southeast governors that open grazing is banned in the zone, adding, as far as governors of the Southeast are concerned, we are supporting them. They are on the right track. We cannot tolerate the Fulani herdsmen any longer. Forget their cows. How can they be killing our people, raping our women? If anything happens again, we will not take chances. How can they be harassing everybody? The priest wants them declared terrorists considering their activities. What IPOB was doing was a kind of agitation for their right, but these killer herdsmen continue to cause this restlessness. It calls for serious action. The Fulani herdsmen are doing the worst thing and they are not declared terrorists. They should not be granted amnesty. They should be declared terrorists. They are dangerous and that is why they are killing people anyhow. Mr. President is not saying anything about this they are killing. It means Mr. President is encouraging terrorism. Fulani herdsmen should be declared terrorists. It is because they are not declared terrorists that they are doing what they are doing, killing people anyhow. I am disappointed Mr. President is not doing anything about it. It is not fair. If Mr. President is a true Nigerian, he should declare them terrorists and find a way of using the new service chiefs to deal decisively with them. Otherwise, we will continue to have the restlessness that has been ongoing for some time. And I'll see how the Igbos reacted when an Igbo man launched an airline called United Nigerian Airlines. This is the latest airline that has been authorized by the National Aviation Authority and has been permitted to operate in Nigeria. Some of those who have reacted to the launching of this new airline claimed the nation was not together and the businessman should have, being an Igbo man, he should have chosen another name instead. However, some sent in their congratulatory message and commended the Igbo CEO for the accomplishment of the feat and the launch of an aircraft for the benefit of Igbo nation. Did I hear benefit of Igbo nation? Yeah? Did I hear that? Anyway, he said, according to Aloysius Miri, it is only in Nigeria that citizens who do not have a job are intent on criticizing persons who would hire them. What Okoro Chinedu Goodness said, his statement reads that individuals should avoid attacking the CEO, that he might potentially use the name to win government attention to his side. Ojukwu, He said, however, vehemently he attacked the CEO and attacked the airline as abominable because he did not join a United Nigerian Airline. Wow. Another comment read that it was the name told by the cabal to call the airline until it was approved for service. Obviously, with the comments of the citizens surrounding the introduction and service of this carrier, the nation has already been broken on its own. The government must first pursue a lasting solution to this before it contributes to another civil war. What are your thoughts on this recently founded airline that just started operations? We have shown you some screenshots on this matter. The traditional ruler of Uruagu, a town in Nnewi, Anambra State, has been kidnapped. According to a report by Anedo Online, the traditional ruler, Obi Charles Afamobi, was kidnapped in Orefite on his way back from a burial ceremony. And we had the traditional ruler drove himself. Wow. According to the medium, the monarch was abducted after the daredevil gunmen shot sporadically at his car. Although his whereabouts is yet unknown, the monarch's mother, who was said to be with him during the incident, has returned to Nnewi. It's like the people came for the monarch. The newsguru.com reports that neither the Anambra State government nor the police have issued any statement confirming the incident. Like play. Ikemba Ojukwu's son graduates. Bianca over the moon, a son graduates from North Texas University. Bianca Ojukwu, widow of late politician and leader of the breakaway of the Republic of Biafra, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, is over the moon at the moment. The ex-beauty queen is excited as her son, Afamefuna Luis Felipe Odumegwu Ojukwu, just graduated as an engineer from the University of North Texas, United States of America. Bianca took to her Facebook to share the exciting news with her family and friends. The proud mother wrote, "Done and dusted, the newest engineer. Dear friends, please thank God with me. By His grace, my son, Afamefuna Luis Felipe Odumegwu Ojukwu, has just earned his degree in mechanical and energy engineering from the University of North Texas. As you can all imagine, I am all over the moon. I am over the moon. It seems not too long ago I was dropping him off at the UNT to embark on this degree course. Ironically, he had a penchant for smart black suits as a child. Hence, his friends nicknamed him Baby Barrister. Who would have guessed his academic interest lay elsewhere? Now it's done and dusted. This would have been a proud moment for his father, Dim Chukwuemeka Ojukwu, Odumegwu Ojukwu. He's late now. He always did say that Afam, named after the iconic Sir Louis Philippe Ojukwu and fondly called Papa, was born to strive. And he always persevered. So, here's to you, Afamefuna Louis Philippe Odumegwu Ojukwu. May your strivings ever be crowned with sterling success. A big congratulations to you, son. You were also born to win, and I'm mighty proud of you. To God be the glory. Hashtag Abuzekwa Mama Engineer. This one na Bocha Engineer, graduate from Obodo Oyibo. Let's celebrate. Hey. Meanwhile, this is where we draw the curtain for today. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Also, click on the bell icon to get our update each time it drops. Azuka OJ signs out.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.